Hi guys, welcome back. Recently I had an issue with the gutters at my house getting clogged up. Each time it rained, water would overflow the gutter and cause a mess. Check out how bad it was. Cleaning the gutters is something you should be doing at least once a year at the minimum. Now I will admit, I haven't been good at having the gutters cleaned on my house. Since it is a two-story house, I'm not too thrilled about standing on a ladder that high, so I typically call a gutter cleaning company to do the dirty work. However, this year it seemed like the gutter cleaning companies have downright disappeared and or converted their businesses into selling those leaf guard gutter systems. While I'm sure those leaf guard systems work great, I'm not going to spend the $3,000+ to get that installed. So I had to find out an alternative solution. My first step would be to get up to the gutter to see what the heck was going on up there. Since I'm not a fan of standing on a ladder that high, I thought I would use my drone, the DJI Mavic Air 2. Now you have to be super careful when flying a drone near your house. Be aware of all the power lines and other structures so that you don't damage the house, the drone, or yourself. Once I got the drone up, I flew it as close as possible to the gutter and was pretty shocked to see that there was water just sitting in the entire length of the gutter. This is not a good situation because that water is heavy and could cause bending or warping of the gutter, as well as water getting pushed up underneath the shingles of the roof during heavy rain. So now that I knew how bad it was and where the clog was, I had to find the right tool to clean the gutter. I did some Google searches and found these extendable pole pressure washers. Say that 10 times fast. After reading some reviews and checking out specs, I decided to purchase the BuyPlus telescoping pressure washer extension wand on Amazon. It does sell for $130, but I figured that's the average cost if you were to hire someone to clean the gutters anyway, so it should repay itself after just one use. Once the telescoping wand was delivered, I started putting it together and had some issues connecting it to my pressure washer. I have an old Sunjoe pressure washer that I bought over 7 years ago. The Sunjoe pressure washer hose did not attach to the quick release coupler that is included with the telescoping wand. Note, you must use this quick release coupler in order to attach the hose to the wand trigger. My solution to this issue was to buy a new pressure washer hose from Home Depot, specifically the Ryobi 1/4 inch 35-foot hose, which costs $45. Again, if all goes well, this setup should repay itself with just one use. Another problem I had was the curved sprayer attachment at the end of the wand was not very secure. Anytime I pulled the trigger, the end would spin faster than a carousel at the county fair, and it would also leak a lot of water. I fixed this by applying Flex Seal tape, and it really helped keep the attachment from spinning as well as preventing water from leaking. Alright, now that the jerry-rigged telescoping wand was all good to go, I set up a small ladder with a platform where I could put the drone controller. This gave me a good angle shot of the gutter and I could see where I was spraying. I launched the drone and extended the wand to the gutter and started spraying away. It was surprisingly effective. You can see all of the junk being sprayed out of the gutter. The wand was a bit hard to control because it is an 18-foot wand that weighs about 10 pounds and 4,200 psi amount of pressure pushing it away from the house, so it can get kind of squirrely. After just about 5 minutes of targeted spraying at the area of the clog, it finally cleared and all that water started draining out of the gutter. It really was a great thing to see and hear. After cleaning the gutters, I used the drone to do somewhat of an inspection of the roof to see if anything was out of the ordinary or if there was any damage from the summer storms. Everything checked out fine. These drones really are something you can use for multiple purposes. I know they can get expensive, but there are a wide range of drones across many price ranges. If you have a drone or are thinking of buying a drone, just know that these drones can be used for so many different things other than just flying around annoying the neighbors. As for the BuyPlus pressure washer wand, I would recommend this for anyone who is interested in cleaning their own gutters. As stated in this video, there are some adjustments you may have to make, but in the end, it really is worth it. Hope this video helps you guys out. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content.